Within Workbook, you can change the background appearance of the pages within your file through the background menu. You can change your background to a solid colour or to an imported image. There are three ways that you can access the background menu. The first is via the Page Sorter menu. By selecting the menu arrow of the page you want to add the background to, you can access its options. Highlight and select Background from that menu. The second way to access the page menu is by right-clicking on the canvas area. Highlight and select Background. The third way to access the background menu is via the Format drop-down menu along the top of your workbook page. Click on the Format title and select Background. Now that you have your background menu open, you can select if you want to use a colour or image for the background. If you want a colour, make sure the circle next to colour is selected. Then you want to head down to the Colour button and click on that. Once that's clicked, you're provided with a range of colours that can be used, as well as the More option. This More option can be used to create your own colour. For further information about colour selection and the More option, watch the Colour Selector video. So, if I select red from the menu, a preview of that will now appear within the window. If you're happy with the selected colour, then you need to choose whether you want the background colour set for just the page you're on or every page in the document. Click Apply to all pages if you want it on every page. Leave it unclicked if you just want it on your current page. Click OK when everything's selected. If you want to put an image as the background, head back into the background menu. This time, select the circle next to image. You'll notice a couple of options will now become available. Click Browse. You'll now be provided with a computer search window. Use this window to search for the image you want as the background. Once you've found your image, select it and click Open. The image will now appear within the preview window. You'll notice below the window is a drop-down menu that provides you with a range of image positioning features. I will run through the different features later in this video, but for now I'll simply select Stretch. Again, decide if you want it applied to all pages in your document or just the one you're working on, and click OK. As you can see, Stretch will stretch the image so that it takes up the entire background, but may lose its aspect ratio. If I head back into the menu, I'll select Top Left. Top Left will place the image on the top left of the background. If I head back in and select Center, Center will place the image into the center of your page. This may cut the top or bottom off it, depending on the size of the page and image. If I try Tile, it will place multiple copies of the images onto the canvas background. If I select Stretch, brackets, Keep Aspect Ratio, this will place the image on your page until it reaches either the top or sides of the page, but without stretching the image out of proportion, unlike the Stretch option. If you want to delete your background, head back into the background menu and select the circle next to Colour. Then select the Colour button. Finally, select White and click OK.